Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix corrupted game files on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a button labeled Steam. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Settings. This will open up Steam's configuration panel where you can manage various aspects of your client. Now, in the Settings window, look at the left panel. You'll find several options listed there. Click on Storage. This section is important because it lets you manage your local drives and storage locations where Steam keeps your games and files. Once you're in the storage section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it and select the local drive that has been corrupted. This tells Steam which specific storage location needs attention and allows you to target the issue directly. After selecting the drive, look for a 3 dotted lines icon and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Repair Library. This feature scans your selected drive and fixes any library-related issues that might be causing problems with your games. The repair process helps restore missing or damaged files in your Steam library folder. You may need to wait a moment while Steam processes and repairs the library. Next, in the left panel of the Settings window, click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles downloading and caching game data. Once you're there, scroll down until you find an option called Clear Download Cache. Right beside this text, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Click on it. Clearing the download cache removes temporary files that might be interfering with your game installations or causing corruption issues. A confirmation dialog will pop up asking you to confirm this action. Go ahead and click Confirm to proceed. This will clear out any problematic cache data and give Steam a fresh start. Now that you've cleared the cache, navigate back to the main Steam interface. In the upper left corner, click on Library. This brings up your full list of installed and available games. In the left panel where all your games are listed, locate the specific game that's been giving you trouble. Right-click on the game title, and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This opens a detailed settings window specifically for that game. In the Properties window, look at the left panel again. You'll see several tabs related to the game's configuration. Click on Installed Files. This tab contains tools for managing the actual game files on your system. Here you'll find a button labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on it. This powerful feature scans all the game's files, compares them against Steam's official versions, and automatically replaces any corrupted or missing files. The verification process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so be patient while Steam does its work. And that's it. You've successfully repaired your corrupted game files on Steam by repairing your library, clearing the cache, and verifying the game's integrity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.